Good morning and welcome to the Knitting Crowd. I'm your host, Mikey. Do you want to learn how to do socks? I want to learn how to do socks, so I've been noticing here on the channel people want me to teach that, but I don't know how to do it. So Yarnspirations has a sock along starting on January 19th with one of the designers at Yarnspirations. I love her a lot. If I don't tell her, because it might swell her head. No, but seriously, she is great. And so why do something when I don't really understand it? So if you would like to join me with the sock along, I'm not hosting, but I'm just going to participate as a guest. You can just go to the more information of this video. There is a link that you can sign up for the sock along. It is in multiple parts, and so you'll get those parts sent to you so that you can participate. There's videos and patterns and etc. And there are two different kinds of socks. There's a knitting version, which is here for this channel, and there's also crochet socks there if you would like to learn that as well. So why not learn from somebody that actually does it on a regular basis? And I think that would be really quite awesome. So go to the more information and sign yourself up, and I'll see you on the sock lawn. And then you can record your progress right here on the channel.